Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload income from salary part 3. Income from salary allowances calculation is very important one. Allowances means what? Employer in the salary ಬಿಟ್ಟು other benefitಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾದರೂ received ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that extra benefit is called as a allowances. This is the meaning of allowances. Allowances is a fixed amount of money given by employer to employee along with salary for meeting some particular expenses or for pertaining his official duties or personal work. That amount is called as a allowances. Under Income Tax Act 1961, entire allowances are classified into three categories. Certain allowances are fully taxable, certain allowances are fully exempted, and certain allowances are partly exempted. Out of these three categories, the first categories of allowances is a fully taxable allowances. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ fully taxable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Like dearness allowances, city compensatory allowances. Dearness allowances ಅನ್ನ shortly it is called as a DA. City compensatory allowances ಅನ್ನ CCA ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ shortly. Overtime allowances, warden allowances, non-practicing allowances, family allowances, fixed medical allowances, lunch tiffin allowances, entertainment allowances, project allowances, telephone allowances, dictation allowances, dinner allowances, marriage allowances, transport allowances. These all are fully taxable allowances. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಲವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇದೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ದೆನ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಟು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ then that kind of allowances is also be 100% exempted one. Allowances to UNO employees, then that kind of allowances is also be fully exempted. Third categories of allowances is a partly taxable allowances. Under partly taxable allowances, again entire allowances are classified into two types. There are sub two types of partly taxable allowances. Allowances exempted up to the amount actually spent. Allowances exempted up to the specified limit. Allowances exempted up to the actual amount spent, like traveling allowances, convenience allowances, daily allowances, helper allowances, research allowances, allowances, house rent allowances. House rent allowances is called as a HRA. Unspent amount is taxable one. Unspent amount is taxable one. So this is one of the example for that. Mr. Z received the following allowances from his employer. Calculate taxable allowances for the assessment year 2021-22. First allowances traveling allowances 45,000 actual received but actual expenditure ಆಗಿದ್ದು 40,000. Then convenience allowances like that certain allowances are received helper allowances, uniform allowances, research allowances. So here we have to calculate taxable allowances. Computation of taxable allowances. Here we required kinds of allowances column, actual received, actual expenditure and taxable amount. First one is the traveling allowances. Traveling allowances is a partly taxable and unspent amount is taxable one. Here received amount is 45,000 but actually spent 40,000. Unspent amount what? 5,000. This 5,000 is taxable under the Income Tax Act. Convenience allowances. 30,000 convenience allowances received but actually spent 32,000. Here, under this case, actual expenditure is more than the received one. So here, taxable amount nil because here unspent amount only here taxable one. Next, helper allowances. Actual received 60,000, expenditure 30,000, unspent amount 30,000 here taxable. Then uniform allowances. Uniform allowances received 6,000, actual expenditure 7,000. Here under this case also be taxable allowances nil. Then research allowances 24,000. Here actual expenditure is detailed proof are not given. So this 24,000 fully here taxable one. So partly taxable allowances unspent amount ನ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 15 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So partly taxable allowances ಅಲ್ಲಿ HRA calculation is very important one. HRA means what? House rent allowances. This is the meaning of HRA, house rent allowances. HRA is given to employee to enable him to meet expenditure incurred by way of rent paid for the residential accommodations occupied by him. That allowances is called as a house rent allowances. Sometimes employer ತನ್ನ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಆ ಥರ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಹೌಸ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ first note, if he is living in his own house, then no exemption is available. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್. ನಾ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಲೋವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು 100% ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ. So this is a formula for calculating taxable HRA. What about formula? Taxable HRA equal actual HRA received minus exempted HRA. And this is a formula or step for computing exempted HRA. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಐಟಮ್ ಎ, ಐಟಮ್ ಬಿ, ಐಟಮ್ ಸಿ ನಡುವೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Like actual HR received or excess of rent paid over 10% of salary or 50% of salary if house is in Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi or Chennai, or 40% of salary if house is in other places. ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಒನ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಓವರ್ 10% ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಚ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು. ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಎ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್. So salary formula for this. Or C item 50% of salary. Suppose house is in metropolitan cities like Bombay, Kolkata, Delhi or Chennai. If four cities ಅಲ್ಲಿ house situated ಇದ್ರೆ then 50% of salary. Otherwise if four city ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ cities ಅಲ್ಲಿ house ಇದ್ರೆ then 40% of salary. So this is a formula or way for finding exempted HRA. ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟಿ ಎ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್. This is a formula for calculating salary in case of HRA. Thank you for watching.